In some games like Warcraft, when character gets close to a fountain, its health starts increasing. This is the character. We want when it got close to this section, that we call it fountain, its health starts increasing slowly. To detect player is getting close to the fountain, we have couple ways. We can use either distance or we can use colliding methods like box collider. I use collider. First of all, select fountain object. Add a box collider for it. Change X and Z sizes to create a space that character can enter it. Also enable its trigger. Now give it a rigid body component, disable gravity, then freeze position and rotation. At last, give health stack to fountain. Let's go for player. Create a script called player collision and give it to player. Cause player is going to enter collider and stays in it, and healing happens as long as it is in that space, we use onTriggerStay command. Now write in if what you are colliding with means obj.gameObject.tag was equal to health. Upper, define a public scroll bar. Increase character health. We talked about health bar and scroll bar in previous lectures. And increase its size in this if. With this command, a scroll bar dot size plus equal increasing character's health speed times time.delta time. Now give a scroll bar to player and press play. Now if character gets close to fountain and enters its collider, as long as it is in that space, its health increases slowly. I hope this tutorial was useful for you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.